Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET. Let me first introduce myself. I am Dr. Lakshmi Subramaniam with a PhD in chemistry and I have 18 years experience in teaching. I have worked as principal in various schools. I am starting the channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET. My channel is meant not just to provide academic help but also motivate aspirants to get a seat for MBBS. My daughter is pursuing second year MBBS. She did not attend any outside coaching. She scored high marks in chemistry for NEET just through my guidance. Many of my students and their parents requested me to start a channel in YouTube with English as the language for communication so it would benefit all children. What I am planning to do is to have quick revisions on important topics from each lesson of CBSE class 12 and class 11 and then solve the most important MCQs based on those topics. My sessions would be short with 15-minute durations and I will upload the recorded classes in parts so that learning will be easy and simple. While I can teach them how to crack the competitive examinations, I intend to teach how to study and thus make the students self-reliant. I use arts integrating approach to acknowledge the inherent difficulties in learning chemistry existing also while learning online. Although teachers plan lessons so that the content makes sense, in practice they might presuppose the students' linguistic and visual thinking abilities as well as the way each student connects them through visualization. I want my sessions to be helpful to average children who find chemistry extremely difficult. So, many children who are appearing for NEET need reassurance and attention, and I strive to be that person who can build them up when no one ever has. I want to not only tell but show my students that with commitment and hard work, they are capable of achieving their dream goal of getting a seat for MBBS. I believe that I can help students achieve their highest potential. The major concern about NEET coaching is about the quality of learning, which is closely related with how well the content is designed and executed. Effectiveness of learning also depends on how the content is curated to online environment and also in understanding and addressing the constraints faced by students. The study is even more relevant considering that in India, the system of online education has never been tried at this scale and this is like a massive social experiment. The shift to online mode has been an abrupt one due to unprecedented lockdown imposed to manage the COVID-19 and the institutes did not have time to design and adopt the course contents for online mode. In this context, experience of students and the learnings can be incorporated to make online learning easy, efficient and productive. There is uncertainty about the length of the pandemic and chances of reinfections. The social distancing can become a new normal. Online class can be as effective as traditional class if it is designed appropriately. Recorded classes can give you a flexibility in learning. Online education offers all of you the opportunity to study at your own pace and time of your convenience. Content can be accessed at any time based on your convenience. Recording will also come in handy for those students who have internet connectivity issues to live stream the classes. I promise to make continuous efforts to provide customized teaching learning material suitable for online classes. While I have always been drawn to teaching, the pandemic pushed me to take the classes online. What I have realized is that this way I am able to reach so many more aspirants from all over the country. Investing in classes can be expensive, and so I decided to provide free online classes through YouTube for the benefit of students who can't afford expensive coaching classes. I hope all of you would come forward and support me and subscribe to my channel. Come on, let's make learning an enjoyable experience, and soon I'll be uploading my videos. Thank you.